食べる、飲む、聞く、読む。Hello world! I am Kozysensei from Kozysensei Japanese, and welcome back to Simple Japanese Grammar Lessons for Beginners. This course is designed for those who have just started learning Japanese and those who want to review basic Japanese grammar principles. There has no fancy edits, just learning Japanese. In this lesson, we will learn what a verb in Japanese is like. After this lesson, you will understand the difference between ru verbs and u verbs. Okay, are you guys ready to start? Let's get started. 始めましょう. First, just like other languages, a verb in Japanese is also an action word. But in Japanese, verbs usually come at the end of the sentence. For example, 私は日本へ行きます。私は日本へ行きます。私は日本へ行きます。As you see, the verb is at the end of the sentence. 行きます. Today, we will not cover any conjugations. We will firmly talk about the differences between ru verb and u verb in dictionary forms. First, we have many verbs that ends with ru. For example, 食べる、食べる、食べる. Your turn. 寝る、寝る、寝る. Your turn. 起きる、起きる、起きる. Your turn. These verbs that end with ru, usually called ru verb. Now, some verbs don't follow the ru ending pattern. For example, 読む、読む、読む. Your turn. 買う、買う、買う. Your turn. 話す、話す、話す. Your turn. These verbs have u vowel ending. Thus, we call u verbs. So why is it important to understand the difference between u verbs and ru verbs? We must know the difference because each verb takes a different conjugation pattern. Next lesson, we will learn how to change verbs into mass form by using conjugation patterns. Now let's do some mini practices. I'll read some verbs, so please tell me whether it's a u verb or ru verb. Okay? Let's get started. Number 1. 食べる、食べる、食べる. This is ru verb. Number 2. 買う、買う、買う. This is u verb. 話す、話す、話す. This is u verb. 起きる、起きる、起きる. This is ru verb. Great job, guys! お疲れ様でした。Do you understand the differences between verbs now? I'm sure you do. Today's lesson was quick and short, but yet it's very important to learn Japanese. In the next lesson, we will learn how to use u verbs and ru verbs in conjugations. So sentences like I eat something or I don't eat something, and etc. Did you enjoy today's lesson? If you do, please hit like and subscribe. よろしくお願いします. Thank you so much for watching today's video until the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. またね。じゃあね。